How to fix payroll posting to wrong account in QuickBooks Online. First, update payroll accounting preferences. Click the gear icon in the top right and select Payroll Settings. In the accounting section, click the edit icon. Review and update the accounts for paycheck expenses, payroll liabilities, bank account used for payroll. After making the necessary changes, click Save and then Done. This ensures that future payroll transactions post to the correct accounts. Now we need to adjust past payroll transactions. Here you have two options. Option number one is to create journal entries. So for this you need to click plus new and select journal entry, enter the date of the original payroll transaction, debit the correct bank account and credit the incorrect one for the payroll amount. And then add a memo for reference and click save and close. Option 2 is to void and recreate paychecks. Navigate to the affected paycheck, scroll down and click void. Confirm the action, and then after updating your payroll settings, recreate the paycheck with the correct bank account. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and as always, see you in the next video.